Let's do this.
First, saved message.
Okay everybody, this is where I'm staying at my mother's house in Jamaica. This is the view. Those are my mother's neighbors over there. That's my stepfather's truck, the blue truck. And over there people farm. And right here in front of my mother's house there is bananas growing. So those are banana trees. Here it is, you can see the banana up close. And banana trees only grow one bunch of bananas. But after this one grows, another one shoots up out of, you know, the bottom. You can see a lot of bananas. And this is the view of my mother's house. That front room window that's open, that's where I sleep.
Good job!
It's not very easy for me to stand here to pay tribute to someone I love so dearly.
A lot of my friends over there say that they can't understand what Jamaicans say.
The computer did have a translate the part one into English. The same as the same for now, we don't know what I got.
Now speak clearly and try and tell them what you're trying to say.
Okay. Boy, I'm up with me already. See there, a different language me again, and a French and a Spanish and a Portuguese and
real jam down style.
Real Jamaican thing you again. So I say,
But the Jamaican language is English.
nah man, we born language of Patois.
Patois is not an official language.
Like a Babylon boy, they over foreign one come talk about the English we speak and rare. See in English, we not born to speak no English. You know, we are in the dead yard chilling. You see what I say? What you climb the guinea tree? See, she can't even get up there. Too fat. She doing a lot of exercise. Yeah, what you? Get out those weight. That kill no pain. Fat. Yeah. So you are doing. You have to send one of them girls from foreign people. You see me? Some girl are intelligent and nice.
You want me to send you an intelligent girl from Canada?
Yeah, man, I want a nice girl. You see what I say?
Tuntun wants me to send him a nice, intelligent girl from Canada and send it back here for him. My sister's climbing the guinea tree. When she picks one, I'm going to show you what it is.
Yeah, lizard.
No, what he's up there.
Who?
What he's up there.
Guinea.
Yeah.
What you want to jump out?
Yeah.
You want proper English?
I'm probably going to have to blur that out.
What? Yeah, burn up, but I'm going to see it smoke. Yeah,
Blur it out so they can't see it.
Okay, say a friend of not doing my gun.
Yeah, because it's going to...
I want a nice girl from
You want a nice girl from Canada.
Can you hook me up on one, brother?
We don't trade women.
You don't trade women.
We don't trade women.
If you don't trade women, hook up woman and man.
Why you want a Canadian girl?
I want a Canadian girl. I want somebody can love me, cherish me. You see what I say?
There's nobody that can love and cherish you from Jamaica?
No, but the whole like Jamaican girl, them are gold digger. They are gold diggers. They just want it for your money and nothing but your money. You see what I say?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's how we Jamaicans say when we not sorrows, we still have to make joy. Smile the sorrows away. You see what I say? But yeah, don't let me talk more as I get up there.
Okay, you heard it. Tuntun wants me to send him a girl from Canada because Jamaican girls are gold diggers.
Yeah, they don't have to sex line. You can be the big fat mama. Saying there's somebody nice, intelligent. You see what I say?
This is what she's picking off the tree. And this is what you're supposed to do with it. You bite it.
Get ready, you got to move.
And this is inside. And then you eat it.
You got to move.
and then you spit out the seed. And she's coming down, and this is what she picked.
Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe to the Paul Show. Peace.